Is your productivity tanking because life feels like a total mess? I get it, but what if I told you there are 3 AI hacks that can instantly reclaim your day, stress-free with absolutely zero learning curve? Let's dive in. First up, hack number 1, AI Email Zero. We all know the pain of a cluttered inbox. Just forward those long, messy email threads directly to an AI like ChatGPT. Use this simple prompt. Summarize the action items from this thread and draft 3 reply options, each under 50 words. Seriously, this can save you at least 30 minutes every single day. The best part? It handles complex jargon like telecom specs without breaking a sweat. Just a heads up, always double-check the facts it pulls. But just like that, boom, your inbox is tamed. Next, we have hack number 2, the AI Task Exploder. Got a huge vague item on your to-do list, like plan the Q2 network rollout? It's enough to make anyone procrastinate. Instead, copy that task and paste it into an AI like Claude. Use this prompt. Break this project into 5 actionable steps. Assign time estimates for each, and flag any potential risks. It instantly transforms that overwhelming feeling into a clear, manageable roadmap. This is a game changer for engineers because it can even output lists ready for a Gantt chart. No more staring at a blank page, wondering where to even begin. Finally, hack number 3, the AI Focus Shield. How many times have you started researching one thing and ended up with 20 browser tabs open? Stop the madness. Use a one-tab AI search tool like Perplexity or Grok. Just type in your query. For example, do a deep dive on this topic, but remove all the fluff and give me a bulleted list of pros and cons. This cuts through all the noise and eliminates that tab explosion, giving you pure, focused information. As a little bonus for my telecom folks, you can ask something like, compare 5G versus 6G backhaul costs, and get a solid answer in about 10 seconds flat. So there you have it, 3 simple hacks for zero stress. I challenge you to test just one of them today and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Stress-free productivity starts right now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.